Okay, here we have an equality and an inequality rather, and we've got to write down what the inequality is. Now, essentially, the inequality represents all the numbers between -4 and 3. The black circle here means that -4 is included, and the open circle means that 3 isn't. So we could write it in two ways. Let's say that the number we're going to put in the middle is x. I can see that x is greater than or equal to -4. And I can also see that x is less than 3. And we can put the two together as a single inequality with x in the middle. X is less than 3, and x is also greater than or equal to -4. Okay, solving an inequality is very much like solving an equation. The only thing that you have to be careful of is if you divide or multiply by a negative number, then the inequality sign switches direction. So we're starting with 2x plus 9 is greater than 1. I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides. So the left-hand side is just 2x. The right-hand side is 1 take away 9, which is -8. Now, all I'm now doing is dividing by 2. I'm dividing by +2. So the sign doesn't need to change. 2x, when you divide it by 2, becomes x. -8 divided by 2 is -4. So x is greater than -4. Question now says that n is a negative integer. Write down all the values of n which satisfy 2n plus 1 is greater than 1. Now that's the same, almost the same inequality as this one, but instead of x we now have n, so the solution to that is going to be n is greater than -4. Now if you have numbers which are negative, so negative integers means whole numbers, but greater than -4, then you must have -3, and then -2, and then -1. 0 isn't negative, so there's your solution.